It's not just a patent waiver that India is pushing for. It is also looking for international approval for the homemade vaccine Covaxin. But the going has not been easy. The WHO has not approved Covaxin yet. And now the US regulator, the FDA, has refused to give emergency approval to Covaxin. This puts a question mark on the travel, work and study plans of millions of Indians who've taken a Covaxin shot. So why is the Indian jab not being approved internationally? Our next report tells you.
India is serious about Covaxin. It's a made in India jab. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken it. Leading ministers in his cabinet have taken it. And so have millions of Indians. The launch of Covaxin in record time was seen as a major achievement for India. But now the vaccine is chasing a global seal of approval. The latest setback has come from America. The US Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, has refused to greenlight Covaxin for America. The reason seems to be a lack of data. American biopharmaceutical company Ocugen wants to sell Covaxin in the United States and Canada. It has been asked to pursue a full authorization. In other words, it won't get an emergency use authorization. That's the mechanism under which most of the vaccines have been rolled out across the world. Emergency use. But Covaxin won't get it in America. It will have to work harder for approval. Ocugen has been asked to provide more data and conduct an additional clinical trial. The company's CEO says the approval process will now take more time. American markets responded with a thumbs down. Ocugen stock fell by nearly 30% after the regulatory setback. The lack of data is hurting Covaxin at the World Health Organization too. The global health body won't give Covaxin its approval until the makers, Bharat Biotech, produce data from the third phase of trials. The company claims the data will be out by July, and WHO approvals could come by September, a full 9 months after the Indian government approved Covaxin for use. The delay is causing serious problems for some recipients. More than 400 American universities have announced vaccine mandates for international students. Indian students who plan to go to university in America are being told they'll be re-vaccinated with a different vaccine when they arrive on campus. Is this safe? There are no answers yet. 29 million doses of Covaxin have been administered to Indians so far. In private hospitals, they are sold at a premium. Under the new policy, one dose of Covaxin will be sold at 1,410 rupees or almost $20, making it the most expensive shot in India and the third costliest shot in the world. Is the premium pricing justified if its recipients are considered unvaccinated by most countries? Covaxin is approved in just 13 countries. In comparison, Covishield is accepted by 130 countries. The Indian government is making a push for Covaxin's global approvals. But considering the delays in the release of trial data, it may take several weeks for Covaxin to get a global green light. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.